What's up guys, my name is Nick and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a little different from those I've done in the past. In recent months, cryptocurrencies have become increasingly mainstream and I expect this content to be also of interest to my subscribers who are eager to learn about options and options trading. In this short series of videos then, I'll be looking at how to open and fund an account with the Independent Reserve, a cryptocurrency exchange, and how to access the platform's order book to buy a number of different cryptocurrencies. So, who are the Independent Reserve? Well, founded in 2013 with a goal to be Australia's most secure and trusted way to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, the exchange has since expanded to Southeast Asia and is now available in Singapore, where I currently reside. While unavailable within the United States, the Independent Reserve is available to clients resident within 197 countries and territories worldwide. So, if you're outside the US and interested in opening an account, use the link in the description below. Before we get into it though, do me a huge favour, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's free of course, but it helps me out a ton. With that said, enjoy the video and I'll see you on the other side. Cheers. Okay, so to open up an account with the Independent Reserve, the first thing we need to do is go to the website. So that's in Singapore, independentreserve.com.sg. And you can see the top right there, the Create Account button. We come in, we need to establish a username and a password which we need to verify. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'll use Option Alchemist, which is the name of the YouTube channel. Okay, I don't have a referral code and I'm not a robot. So let's just go ahead and click the Create Account button. So now we need to go through and input the account type, what the purpose of the account is and how we will actually fund that. What is going to be the source of funds? Our identity, so our first and last names, date of birth, and also details about our residence, the postal code and which country we live in. Now we need to add an email address, and that will need to be verified. You'll be sent a code which you can then input to confirm the address. So tap on the verified email there just to the right. Once you've received the email, obviously enter the 6-digit code and just verify your address. At least one mobile number is required. So we're going to add one there, a primary mobile number. And again, like the email, you'll be sent a code and be in a position to verify that number. Okay, so now we need to verify our identity and confirm our address. So we need 3 documents for that. We'll need a selfie, which includes a picture of our photo ID, a close-up of the photo ID both on the front and the back side, and some sort of proof of address, whether that's a bank statement, a utility bill, or some sort of letter from a government organisation. And then finally, we just need to submit that for verification, and typically within 24 hours, the account will be up and ready to go. So once your account's been verified, you need to come back to independentreserve.com.sg where you'll be able to log in. When you do so, you'll be brought to the trading order book. But at the moment, as a first-time user, your account won't have been funded, so you need to take care of that first. From the upper menu bar displayed, select Accounts. This will take us to the account screen where we can make a deposit. As you can see, I already have 2 bank accounts registered with the Independent Reserve, one denominated in US dollars and the other in Sing. As a first-time user, you'll need to add your own account. So simply click on the Add Bank Accounts link. And in Singapore, you want to add a Sing account that allows fast or MEPS transfers. So select their Sing bank account and then click Next. And then just enter the details, so the name of your bank, the account number, account holder name, and the beneficiary address is your address registered with the Independent Reserve. And click Save, and we're done. This will bring us back to the account section. As you can see, the 3rd account has been added. So now it's time to transfer some Fiat Sing onto the platform. So we're going to find the Sing account and then click Deposit. And we'll be given the account details that are required in order to transfer Fiat onto the Independent Reserve platform. So I've got my banking details open on the other tab here. I'm going to make a transfer to local banks in Singapore dollars. I click continue, and I can copy and paste the details. So I need the payee name, which is Independent Reserve, of course, their account number, and I'm going to make a fast transfer through DBS. Going to do 300 Sing today for the purpose of this demonstration. The payee reference is optional. However, I like to add my mobile phone number there just in case there's any issues with the transfer and the payment needs to be tracked down. I'm going to continue now and confirm the details. I'm going to close down the bank account now, go back to the Independent Reserve platform. If I refresh that now, I should be able to see the Sing dollar receipts within the account. This is all in real time, and there we are, 299. That's to account for the transfer fees. Okay, so now we've got the Sing on the platform, we can actually look to start trading digital assets. Now today I'm going to buy Bitcoin, and I'm going to look at 3 different ways we can do it on the sleek and intuitive Independent Reserve platform. Let's click on the Buy Sell tab first, and here we can see all the tokens and cryptocurrencies that are listed on the Independent Reserve. As I said, I want to buy Bitcoin today, so I'm going to click on the green Buy Bitcoin button there. That will take me to the order entry screen. Now, it's on US dollars at the moment. I've got Sing on the platform, so I need to change that. And I'm going to put the amount that I like to buy. I'm going to put 99 Sing for this demo. Hit the green button, and I'm just buying Bitcoin at market. So that'll be done, executed immediately. There you go. There's my confirmation, and I'm done. Let's close that down, and I'll show you 2 other ways, 2 other types of order that we can do. Let's go to the trade book. And from here you can see there's 2 different order types. There's buy at market, which is what we just saw now, but there's a little bit more information on the screen. We can see the order book to the right hand side, so I can see all the bids and all the offers that are in the order book, and the volume of Bitcoin at all those different levels. Now this is more than most people need, okay? But if that is something that interests you, then that functionality is there on the platform. If we go to the left, I can either buy a Bitcoin volume amount, or I can buy a Sing amount. I'm going to buy a Sing amount here. I'm just going to buy 100 Sing. Put that in the relevant space. And again, this is going to go through at market, so I expect an immediate fill. I'm going to preview the order. Looks good. And I'm going to place the buy order. And again, as I say, we should be done immediately. And sure enough, there's my confirmation. Okay, so let's say you don't want to buy at the immediate market. You want to buy a little bit lower. If we look at the moment, we're trading around 60,300, but I don't want to pay that. I want to pay just $60,000. So I'm going to put that in here under the Sing bid price. So that's the maximum price I'm prepared to pay. So it won't be done straight away. Now the Bitcoin amount, I've just got that $100 left on the platform. So I'm putting in the maximum amount there. I'm going to preview the order. There we go. And as I say, this won't be done. What we'll see now, this goes into the order book. There's my order working in the queue there. So I won't be done until someone is prepared to sell below 60,000 and all the bids in front of me have actually been cleared. If you go back to the accounts section, we can see the changes in the various balances. I've now got Bitcoin, which I didn't have before, and my Sing dollar balance is just $100. That's a reflection of that working order. Now, if you want to cancel that order, if you, for example, you change your mind, it's not done right now. The market's still trading well above the 60,000 level that I'm prepared to pay. Go back to the trade book, click cancel or buy orders, confirm that's the case, and you're out. Your order's cancelled. If you made it this far, you made it to the end, and your support is very, very much appreciated. If you are a resident in Singapore or any of the other 197 countries and territories supported on the Independent Reserve platform and are looking to trade cryptocurrencies, consider using the link in the description below to open and fund your account. It costs you nothing, of course, but does help support the channel. Before you go, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel down here. I've included links to additional videos and you can access those somewhere over there. Until the next one, guys, Stay safe, take it easy, cheers.